Concrete forms are the unsung heroes of construction. They are temporary structures, also known as formwork or shuttering. These forms hold wet concrete in place, ensuring it sets into the desired shape. This process is crucial for creating strong and durable structures. Imagine trying to build a concrete wall without a mold. It would be nearly impossible to achieve straight lines and a smooth finish. Concrete forms are essential for various construction projects, ranging from simple sidewalks to towering skyscrapers. They provide the framework that dictates the final form and finish of any concrete element. Without these forms, the versatility and strength of concrete would be severely limited. From the foundations we build upon to the bridges we drive across, concrete forms play a vital role in shaping our world. In the next section, we will delve deeper into the crucial role of formwork in construction. We will explore how it contributes to the stability, durability, and aesthetics of concrete structures. Formwork acts as a temporary mold for wet concrete. It supports the weight of the concrete mixture, preventing it from collapsing or deforming during the curing process. The formwork also defines the shape and dimensions of the concrete element, ensuring accuracy and precision in construction. Furthermore, formwork plays a crucial role in achieving the desired surface texture of the concrete. By using different materials and techniques, builders can create smooth, textured, or patterned finishes. This allows for both functional and aesthetic versatility in concrete structures. The quality and precision of the formwork directly impact the final product. Well-built formwork results in smooth, durable, and structurally sound concrete. Conversely, poorly constructed formwork can lead to defects, compromising the integrity of the entire structure. Concrete forms come in various types, each catering to specific construction needs. Traditional forms, made from timber or plywood, are flexible and affordable. Modern forms use steel, aluminum, and prefabricated systems for durability and efficiency. Reusable systems reduce waste and speed up construction. The choice depends on project size, budget, and desired finish. Section 4. Reaping the benefits of high-quality concrete forms. Investing in high-quality concrete forms yields numerous benefits, ultimately leading to a successful construction project. One of the most significant advantages is increased efficiency. Precisely built forms ensure accurate concrete placement, reducing the need for rework and minimizing material waste. This translates to faster construction times and lower labor costs. Safety is another crucial aspect enhanced by quality formwork. Robust and well-supported forms minimize the risk of collapses or accidents during the concrete pouring process. This safeguards the well-being of construction workers and ensures a secure working environment. Furthermore, high-quality forms contribute to an improved finish of the concrete surface. Smooth, uniform surfaces not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of the structure, but also improve its durability and longevity. This reduces the need for extensive finishing work later on, saving both time and resources. Section 5. Essential accessories, ensuring formwork integrity. While the type of formwork is crucial, the accessories that hold it all together are equally important. These components ensure the stability and effectiveness of the entire formwork system. Ties, for instance, are essential for holding opposing formwork panels together, preventing them from bulging outwards under the pressure of wet concrete. Braces and supports provide additional strength and stability to the formwork structure. They prevent the forms from collapsing or deflecting under the weight of the concrete. Proper bracing is particularly crucial for vertical elements like walls and columns. Shuttering materials such as plywood or steel sheets form the actual surface that comes into contact with the concrete. The choice of shuttering material influences the final texture and finish of the concrete surface. Using the right accessories in conjunction with the chosen formwork system ensures a secure, stable, and efficient concrete pouring process. This results in a structurally sound and aesthetically pleasing concrete structure. Section 6. Staying ahead. The importance of embracing technological advancements. The field of concrete formwork is evolving with new technologies improving efficiency, safety, and sustainability. Staying updated is crucial for civil engineers to remain competitive and deliver high-quality projects. Self-climbing formwork systems automatically climb buildings, eliminating manual reassembly. Digital modeling tools create detailed 3D models, optimizing design for efficiency and safety. Embracing these advancements optimizes processes, reduces costs, and improves safety. The future of construction lies in harnessing technology to push boundaries.